All right, good afternoon to you from the Storm Alert Weather Center 635. The southern part of Russell County is under a severe thunderstorm warning. Again, a severe thunderstorm warning in effect for southern Russell County. That warning was issued just a moment ago by the National Weather Service in Louisville, and Doppler radar indicates the storm moving through the southern part of Russell County, the northeastern part of Cumberland County, into the central part of Clinton County. So if you are in the Rock House Bottom area, the Creelsboro area of Russell County, right now the storm has intensified quite a bit over the last radar scan, and starting to move into the northwestern part of Cumberland County. So again, severe thunderstorm warning is in effect for the northern part of Cumberland County, northeastern part of Cumberland, the southern part of Russell County, and the central part of Clinton County, just to the north of Albany. Severe thunderstorm warning means that a severe storm has been detected on radar. Some of the areas impacted for this storm would be the Bryan community, Cartwright, they're along Highway 90 and 27, Cumberland City, Marlow, and Creelsboro. The National Weather Service indicates winds up to 60 miles per hour and nickel-sized hail. Again, severe thunderstorm warning in effect until 7 p.m. Central Time for central Clinton County, southwestern Russell, northeastern Cumberland County, and southern Adair County. Very, very small tip of Adair County. In fact, you can tell by the latest radar imagery that everything has moved out of Adair County and now impacting the southern part of Russell County, the central part of Clinton County, and the northeastern part of Cumberland County, just to the north and to the east of Burkesville. If we look back toward the north, up around the Fonthill, Horntown community, the Windsor community of Russell County, Casey County, you can see that cell moving into Pulaski County. Right now, it is not severe in nature, but it's likely that you could see some small hail. Storm anchor Keith Richardson, who lives along 127 near the Casey County line, reported a few moments ago of small hail and gusty winds in that area. That's just to the north of Webb's Crossroads. So you can see that storm as it moves into Pulaski County from the eastern part of Russell County, southern part of Casey County. So this is not a severe storm for you folks, but as we look farther to the south, right around the Creelsboro, Rock House, Union Chapel area, points south of Jamestown. If you are in Jamestown, south of Jamestown on the lake, you need to be seeking shelter. It's almost what's on you already, but you can see the storm as it moves into these particular areas. Again, severe thunderstorm warning in effect for another 20 minutes for the southern part of Russell County, also the northeastern part of Cumberland County, and the central part of Clinton County. That would be areas along and north of north of Albany. there in Clinton County. That would be some of the locations affected if you are in the path. Of course, the Aaron community is right up there in the northeastern part, over to the left side, or northwestern part, over to the left side of Clinton County, 76. Toward the center part up in the northern part of the county. Snow and Seminary would also be affected. That's along, I believe, highways, I think 558, that runs into Cumberland City, I believe, and up to 76 and just north of 127. So if you are in the path of this storm, you should seek shelter. Again, severe thunderstorm warning. Really watching that storm as it moves out of Cumberland County into Clinton. Very, very heavy rainfall is likely to be occurring with this storm. One thing we can't, we're not allowed to show you is the local Doppler radar in Jamestown. I'm going to look at it for just a moment. And it shows, again, a very, very strong thunderstorm that's moving through the area. Creelsboro, Rockhouse Bottom, areas south of Jamestown. We're noticing a cell that's developed that's probably not viewable to people from the National Weather Service radar. And you can see the track of it. It's right south of Jamestown, just south of the radar and south of the polygon. It could be picking up a little bit of intensity, that according to our radar here. Again, a severe thunderstorm warning is now in effect for the northeastern part of Cumberland County. Also, the northern part, or the central part of Clinton County. We're seeing that in effect there. And this is the cell, this is the area that we're watching right now. As you can see, that's the storm has really intensified over the last few moments, and that's the places that we're more concerned about now as the storm begins to move through. Again, a severe thunderstorm warning in effect until 7 o'clock Central Time for the southern part of Russell and that central part of Clinton County. And as you see the storm beginning to move in, a little bit of lightning associated with that. So if you are in Cumberland County, that is the main area of concern. Main area of concern is that northwestern part of Clinton County, around the Aaron community of Clinton County, the 76 community there in areas north of Albany. So if you're around the Paoli community in the Browns Crossroads, and that's looks like you're pretty clear at this moment. But again, we're watching this storm continue to develop as it moves through the area. One of the things that brought us to the studio today, of course, the Lake Cumberland Bluegrass Festival is underway in the Ono community, and we have been watching this storm, and someone, the good Lord was looking over Moochie Hart and their crowd at the festival tonight. I will have to say that, because if you look at the storms as they have moved out of Russell County, the Ono community is where the festival is, and to the north of them, up the Windsor community, heavy rainfall, thunder and lightning, and then only all the way down south of us there around the lake, Highway 619, the Bernard Ridge community, Pleasant Hill, you have rain falling there close to a storm warning, and hopefully they are high and dry. It looks like on the radar that everything is good for them, and then we're appreciative of that going on for the folks there at the festival at KOA in the Ono community. We're still watching the storm as it moves and continues a severe thunderstorm warning. Therefore, we're going to go ahead and call Clinton County the main concern, the strongest part of that storm, Clinton County and that southern part of Russell County. So if you are in the path of that storm, you need to be seeking shelter immediately. The storms have a history of producing hail. Keith Richardson, storm anchor here at the Storm Alert Center, we were on the phone when that storm warning was issued, and he was reporting hail earlier from that storm that moved through about 10 or 15 minutes ago. So the Weather Service says now the storm warning for Adair County has been canceled, and basically moved out before it could move in. It was just pretty much gone before it got into Adair County, but the warning for Clinton, Russell, and Cumberland does continue. Wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour, quarter-sized hail. Storm is moving to the east at 25 miles per hour. The areas affected include Bryan, Creelsboro, 76, Cartwright, the Snow Community, Cumberland City, Ida, and the Marlow Community. That's in Clinton County. So if you are in that region, you need to be taking the appropriate action for this severe thunderstorm warning that is now in effect. And I don't think we have any concern about any type of tornadic activity. Looking at the high-resolution velocity modes, don't see anything that would be indicative of any type of tornado as it moves through. Strong to severe storm. Yes, we're not seeing anything that would concern us about anything tornadic at this point. Just a thunderstorm putting down a lot of heavy rainfall and strong gusty winds. We could see wind gusts 50 to 60 miles per hour. So if you're in the path of this storm, should seek shelter. It's intensified quite a bit just south of Rowena. If you are in that region there in Russell County around Rowena and Creelsboro, a lot of heavy rainfall. Probably already moved out based on the radar scan, but nonetheless, if you are in the northwestern part of Clinton County, that is where we're concerned at this time. The severe thunderstorm warning does continue until 7:30 Central Time this evening. Our Doppler radar in Jamestown, Kentucky. I never thought we would be able to say that, but our Doppler radar in Jamestown, Kentucky continues as well to show this thunderstorm as it moves through. Currently right over the 127 corridor moving into Clinton County. A lot of heavy rainfall, especially along that region, and we're continuing to get a few messages here from various people concerning. Muchi Hart has sent me a message, and I can't tell if dark clouds all the way around them, but they have been blessed. I don't think there's any water on the dance platform that they have. I can't tell from this video, but it is definitely not what's going on in the southern part of the county. Pouring the rainfall and very, very heavy winds are also possible, and the possibility of some hail is in the picture as well, according to the Weather Service. This severe thunderstorm warning will continue until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorm warning until 7 p.m. Central Time this evening. We're watching the storm as it moves through into Pulaski County. No warning there. No special weather statement. That's just what we're showing now. The only warning is the one there in Clinton and Cumberland County. I'm going to back out on the radar just a moment to take a look back to the west and to see what we're looking at. Still several instances of special weather statements and clusters of thunderstorms that's developed across the region. But the only one that we have that is severe at this moment is the one there in Clinton County. Again, that will be in effect until the top of the hour. The National Weather Service down in Tennessee issued a special weather statement for areas around Byrdstown, Tennessee, for that cell that's moving through there. That's kind of an appendix of that storm that's moving into Clinton County, but the strongest part there is again north of us. Really, if you're down in that southern part of Cumberland County, you should, or south of Cumberland County, down into Tennessee, you should be heads up from this storm as it moves through your area. And you can see by the radar the storm is moving, pretty much staying in the northern part of Cumberland County. And if you're in Wayne County, it's likely that you could see some activity from the storm as well, along and south of Wayne, Monticello. There in that part of south central Kentucky. And absolutely, it's just amazing how that the storms have stayed away from the Ono community. I cannot believe you can see the path of the storms as they move through earlier this evening, and there's no rainfall that's impacted the Ono community. It's just absolutely amazing. So we're very thankful for that. Moochie Hart has put a lot of time and effort into that festival, and looks like she's going to remain dry, at least for the next little while. 5 minutes before the hour of 7 o'clock, as we continue to watch these storms in Clinton County move through, severe thunderstorm warning until top of the hour. And we have some strong storms down to the south in northern Tennessee that could go storm warned within the next 20 minutes or so. We'll have to watch that as we follow the storms as they move through. Looks like the strongest part of the storm for Russell County is right on that Clinton and Russell County line. That is the strongest. That's the area just south of Rowena that's moving through. And then the central part of Clinton County is also, we're looking at the storms strong there. Heavy rainfall nonetheless, even if you don't have damaging winds or hail in that region. Doppler radar in Jamestown, Kentucky continues to show the storms as they track out of Russell County. It is we're watching the storms now as they move out into the Cumberland City portion of Clinton County. And right there at the county line, that is really an impressive amount of rainfall, as well as gusty winds, and some small hail could be a concern in that area. Severe thunderstorm warning does continue for Clinton County, and that's in effect until 7 p.m. Central Time. Looking back to the west, we're going to do that on our other radar system here that we use for the Jamestown radar, and we're going to bring that up to see what's going on to the west of us. We're showing a few showers and some thunderstorms, a few small cells over just north of Glasgow and Horse Cave, and then around Franklin, Scottsville, over in Allen County. Additional line of storms that's developed, but it appears those are moving more to the northern part of Tennessee, and I don't think that will be a huge concern for the people here in south central Kentucky. If anything, maybe Tompkinsville, Gamaliel, around Bug Tussle, there in Monroe County, we could see some little activity there, but it appears that is moving into the northern part of Tennessee. So you can see the storm is moving through that northern part of Clinton County, and the Weather Service says that severe thunderstorm warning will be allowed to expire in about 2 minutes from now, and we'll stay here with it until that warning has been canceled. So again, looking up to the north, I can't even tell you how excited that I am that the Bluegrass Festival and Ono has been spared this thunderstorm. That would be a total washout if they had received what areas in northern Russell County, southern Casey County, if all those storms had moved through, it would have been a mess. And we're so thankful that was able to bypass the festival as it moves through. All right, so the severe thunderstorm warning has been allowed to expire at 7 o'clock. The Weather Service has indicated now a special weather statement, and we're not going to stay here for that, but a special weather statement there for Clinton County. And it says the wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour are possible. Impacts are Albany, Cartwright, Cumberland City, Marlow, and the Rawlins community of Clinton County. If you're outdoors, consider an inside shelter. Again, that is for Clinton County. So we'll be here watching the weather. Again, they have canceled that severe thunderstorm warning for Adair County and Russell County and Clinton and Cumberland. Those have been allowed to expire. We're also watching in Pulaski County in the southern part of the county. They've indicated a special weather statement there as well. This would be for gusty winds, 45-mile-an-hour wind gust, moving southeast at 30. Some of the locations include Burnside, Sloan Valley, Nancy, Bronston, Pulaski County Park, General Burnside State Park, Mill Springs, and the Trimble community there in Pulaski County. So with that being said, we're going to break away and let you look at the latest from Jamestown, Russell Springs area. The storms again have dissipated, moving out of that area into Clinton and Wayne County. Looking back to the west, We do show a couple of cells worthy of a special weather statement, so we still could see some storm activity later on tonight. Widespread severe weather is not expected. Thank you all for joining us for severe weather coverage here from the Storm Alert Weather Center, your weather authority.